Natuklasan sa Kahapon, Mike.
What's up?
No, I'm just telling you, Daddy, that I found something about your past.
What is that?
And it totally shocked me. Can you please put this in the drawer? Please? Wait, careful now. Don't bend it. Thank you. Put it in the drawer in Mommy's work desk. Thank you very much.
Just watch. Watch.
Parang balita.
Take my treasure.
The ants took that treasure.
Take my treasure.
The ants took
Oh,
that
the ants took your treasure? A treasure? Treasure?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, no. It's not there anymore?
No.
She lost it? No, we don't have treasure anymore.
It's okay. Okay, there's another one for you.
I'll get another one for you. Okay. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday, everyone. It is currently 1:45 ng hapon and kakauwi lang namin guys, kaya naka-jacket pa si mami nyo. So galing kami na grocery shopping. Ang ating baby girl ay nandiyan. Say hi, Nakbe. Hello.
Hello.
Wave. How are you?
Okay.
How are you? What are you eating, princess?
Tomato chip.
You're eating chip? Do you like that one?
This is so small.
Oh, so small. How are you feeling today? Are you well?
No,
Are you sick?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you're not sick.
I will feel better.
Oh, you feel better.
After that, get that tomorrow.
Yeah. Give Mama one me.
What?
Thank you. Yummy. So, lagay ko muna kayo dito, guys. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga pinamili namin from the shop, guys. Ayan, hindi ko pa nailagay sa kusina. Nandito pa lahat sa lounge room. Kasi, I'm tired. Mamaya na. At gusto ko rin ipakita sa inyo, guys. Kaya yun. Anyways, bumili tayo ng tissue. Yan. And then, medyo madami-dami yung ating na grocery ngayon. I bought some bread na nalumi-lumi na. Ayan. We've got some pichay. Because I'm going to cook sinabawan na naman. Alam niyo si mami niyo. Mahilig sa sinabawan. And then we've got lemons. Bumili si Daddy Mike nito kasi meron siyang sore throat. At the moment, guys, I think we're getting it from Paris. Parang nag-ano na yung yung virus. Anyways, we've got some mango. And you know what, guys? Ito yung mango nila na Calypso, yung pangalan. And it's $5 each. So, magkano ba yan, guys? 5, we'll say 5 times 4. 100! Isang mangga. Ayan. So, we've got 2 mangoes, and we've got some onion. Ayan. Bumili na rin ako ng yogurt. Ito yung yogurt na binibili ko, guys, kasi merong hint of vanilla bean. Ayan. So, medyo matamis din siya. Bumili ako nito, just in case Paris won't like that one. And then meron siyang options. That's also vanilla. Also, we've got this. This is Daddy Mike's deodorant body spray. Ayan. And then the second bag, we've got chicken frames. Ayan. Para sa ating tinola. Got that one. We also got red grapes. The seedless ones. We've got apples. And also got meat here, guys. Ito yung ating sasabawin. So, you've got beef soup bones. So, dalawa yung binili ko kasi maliit yung kanilang pagkapack. Ayan. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. This is my favorite. Yung meat na to. And also, I got this chicken. Yung mga maliit na mga wings. Tsaka sa paa. Kasi pag nag-adobo tayo, sobrang sarap niyan. And then the third plastic bag, we've got pancakes. Tingnan nyo, guys. Sobrang cute ng mga pancakes. Oh. Sobrang liit. And then, tatlo yung binili ko. Ayan. And we've got some nuts, macadamias, and roasted cashews para kay baby girl. Maybe, you know, she'd like this one. And then, multigrain na corn thins. Yes, na. Oh, we'll get Daddy to open that one because that's very hard to open. Okay? Daddy will be home soon. What's this now?
Apple juice.
Apple juice! And ito yun, guys. Ayan. Nagbili si Daddy Mike ng kanyang pang throat niya. Soothers and anti-cold. Yeah, that's Daddy's.
That's not this one.
What is it?
That's not the bag.
Yeah, that's for Daddy's. We've got some currant juice para i-mix natin sa apple juice ni Paris. We've got this one. Up and Go liquid breakfast. I don't think Paris likes this one. Anyways, we're gonna give it a try. Have a look, Anak. What is this? Not that one. You had one already, okay? And then the last bag we have here is, ayan, bumili ako ng sparkling water. We have milk. Ayan, cow's milk. Paris's wipes for her bambam. And then I've got these, wet ones. Antibacterial hand and body wipes. Ayan. And also, bumili ako nito, guys, hearty beef and vegetable. Kasi very handy to siya kapag ayaw ko magluto. And I really like this one. Kaya, binili ko na. Ayan. So, yan yung napamili natin from the shops. Si Daddy Mike pala, wala pa dito. Kasi, kaninang umaga nauna ako doon sa shops. Tapos, sumunod na lang sila ni Baby Paris. Kasi maaga akong umalis, guys. Maaga kasi yung appointment ko para sa aking kuko. Ayan. So, fresh na naman ang ating kuko, guys. This time, yung kulay niya ay pink. Remember, white yung last one, guys. So, ayan. Yung pumili pala nito, guys, is yung, ang tawag to, yung nail technician. Sabi niya maganda daw para sa akin. So, anyways, I just let her. And ito yung naging resulta. Itong side na to, nilagyan niya ng, ng silver dust.
Mommy,
Yes, Anak.
can you cut the sisters?
Okay, we will. Pakita natin sa kanila, Nak, your toys, Nak, be. So, nung dumating si Baby Paris doon, tsaka si, Daddy Mike, bumili rin kami ng laruan. Whoa! Do you like this one?
Yes, can you have the sisters?
Yeah, there you go. I don't know what's this one, actually. Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, there you go. Have a look what's inside. Ayan. 120 pieces art set. Tingnan nyo, oh. Uy! Hala, sobrang dami, guys. Oh my God. Do you like this one, ha? Baba, have a look. You like this one?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, may mga crayons. Tapos, may colored pencil. Merong, ewan ko, ano to? Parang paint and everything. Tapos, may mga color pen. Sobrang dami, guys. Paris will have fun with this one. And super cheap nito. It's only $7 kasi binili namin to siya, guys, doon sa may ukay-ukay na yung salvos, yung tawag nilang salvos dito. So, yung ukay-ukay nila dito, tinatawag nilang opportunity shop or op shop. So, doon namin binili. So, ayan. So, nakamura na kami. And then, while naghihintay ako kay Daddy Mike and Paris, pumunta na ako ng salvos by myself, guys. At ito yung mga napamili ko. Tingnan nyo. Oh, sobrang cute. It's a dress for Paris. It's color pink at merong love sa harap. It was $4. Ayan. Nak, do you like your dress?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayan. And then, oh my God, when I saw this, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I gotta have that one kasi it looks very comfortable. Tingnan nyo, pang tulog siya, guys. This is from the brand Harper & Grace. Sobrang bago pa niya. Ayan, oh, meron pa siyang tag and it shows $60, guys. Ayan, kung sa shop mo siya bibilhin. This is in size large, navy blue, na white yung kanyang trimmings dyan. But, alam nyo naman, lumalaki na yung tiyan ni mami nyo. So, alam nyo, pag natutulog ako, I want something na parang airy. Ganun, parang hindi mabunot ang aking tiyan ba. So, I bought this one. It's really, really nice. I got this one for $5 as well. Tapos, lagay natin dyan para malabhan na natin. And then, I saw this one. I don't even know if masusuot ko to siya, guys, no? But I'm thinking, maybe yes. I'll just have to find a good pair for this. So, it's a top from Sports Girl in size small. Very stretchy naman siya, guys. Ayan, super stretchy niya. And I thought, sobrang ganda nito. Maybe, high-waisted na skirt. Yun bang, ano yung stretchy na skirt din. So, I'll see if makahanap ako ng pampares nito, guys. But I really like it. I like the colors, black, white, pink stripes. I think it's beautiful. I got this one for $7. And then, the last two, ito, guys. See, there's another one. Very, very airy, very comfortable, very flowy. Ayan. This is from the brand Portmans and it's size 10. I'm a size 8, guys, but because yung aking tiyan ay lumalaki na, so I need space for my tummy. And this one looks really comfortable, guys. Sobrang bago pa rin siya. Like, brand new pa talaga to siya, guys. I got this one for $7 as well. Ayan. Pink ang kulay niya. Sobrang nice. And then the last one I got from the op shop is this set. Sobrang cute niya, guys. Oh my God. I thought na bibilhin ko siya kasi even though hindi siya pang buntis talaga, I think I can make it work for me. Sobrang nakyutan talaga ako, guys. Maybe if there are days na hindi ako nasusuka and I wanna feel, you know, and I'm feeling cute, ganun. Ayan. What is Anak?
What's the hand?
What happened?
Hand.
The hand? Oh, okay. Have a look inside this one, the box. So, ito yung top niya and this is the bottom. So, very stretchy naman sila, guys. Ayan. Straight yung kanyang baba. Very stretchy siya. So, kasya ang ating bump. Sobrang nice niya. I really like the print. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang cute niya talaga, guys. I can't wait to wear this one. And you know what? It just makes me excited, which is really good. Kasi, alam niyo naman siguro from my previous videos, at the moment, I don't really feel like dressing up and, you know, looking good. Yun bang nagbe-makeup or anything. Like now, have a look. I don't have any makeup. This morning, I woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and then I went straight to the nail salon to do my nails. Kasi, I was very annoyed na, guys. Kasi nga, dito sa ilalim, ang tawag yan? Ano sa Tagalog yun, guys? Ay, kanang maungkat na siya ba? So, every time I touch my hair, it touches my hair and it makes me really angry. Kaya, yun. Anyways, back to this dress, this top, guys. I like it na parang nag-look forward ako na maisuot ko to kasi parang I feel good, ganon. So, yeah, and I got this one for $9, guys. Two piece na to siya, guys, ha. Ayan, so one set yan siya for $9. Yung mga laruan ni Baby Paris, inopen niya.
What's a horn?
What happened?
My hair got horn.
What is that? Welcome home, Daddy.
Thank you. Hello, Dika.
How?
Hala, ayan yung
I'm playing with your toys.
nakalagay sa ano. You playing? Tell Daddy you're playing with your toys.
I'm playing with toys.
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 A few moments later.
Gutom si Buntis, guys. Magluto tayo ng kanin. isang basong kanin. Para mabilis lang. Actually, let's make it 1.5. Ayan. And then, alam nyo kung anong iulam ko, guys. Come say hi, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Oh, actually, hang on. Just stay there, Daddy. Meron pala akong natuklasan, guys, about kay Daddy Mike. So, I'm just telling Daddy that I found something about your past.
What is that?
And it totally shocked me.
What's my past? Show me. Am I original? Show me.
Hello, sweetheart. Come. I'll show you what I found out about Daddy. Come. Up. So, di ba guys, pumunta kami doon sa bahay ng lolo niya the other day. And itong mga photos na nakita ko doon, guys. Oh my God. Have a look. Can you guess who this boy is?
Daddy.
Who's this?
That's your dad.
That's your daddy?
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo guys, ang buhok ni Daddy Mike when he was a kid. Ayan. Oh, diba? So, he was blonde when he was a kid. What happened, Daddy? What happened to your hair?
You got darker.
It got dark, huh? Did you get older? Why is it because you keep cutting it or something like that?
No, look at the top.
Yeah.
Look at the
It's
roots.
so cool. Tingnan niyo guys. Oh, me.
Look at my head up.
No one pig.
Oh, good. What's that? It's Daddy. So, Daddy's hair now is brown. And, yeah, so he used to be blonde, guys. That's why when we were talking, I won't be surprised if our baby comes out a bit of like this, blonde-ish. Because Paris is not blonde, but she's really have a light hair, like light brown hair. So if Daddy Mike was like this when he was a kid. So what do you think, Bob, if our second baby will come out like this? Uy, ang sipon na! Ala! Ang sipon na! Sipon sa bata! Oh, okay. Yeah, but yeah, so cute guys, no? So cute. No, not cute anymore. Handsome naman, Daddy. Good. Handsome naman. But yeah, oh my God. Tingnan niyo, oh.
Paris, look.
Oh.
Look.
Can you see Paris, guys, in this photo?
What's that? Wait.
Sobrang cute. Oh. Daddy, how old were you then? In this photo?
Which one?
Are they the same time or
No.
you were younger here?
No, I was way older here.
Alright.
Yeah.
How old were you
This
then?
one I was like in kindergarten,
Yeah.
and this one I'm in primary school.
How old is that?
My other one's probably like 4 or 5,
Yeah.
and I was probably like 8 or 9 here.
Yeah. You guys know? Paris. Paris. Oh, here. Akala niya siya yung tinatawag ko, guys. Where are you? Who's this?
It's my dad.
Is this your daddy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
B, show B. B, look at daddy. Yeah, you look the same as your daddy. Look the same as your daddy. Can you please put this in the drawer? Please? Wait, careful now. Don't bend it. Thank you. Put it in the drawer in mommy's work desk. Thank you very much. Ayan. Oh my God. So, hindi talaga ako makapaniwala, guys. Ganun pala ang buhok ni Daddy Mike. Blondie pala ang ating Daddy Mike before. Ayan. So, here's our rice. And then, we've got... Tingnan nyo ang ating uulamin. It's the bulad. Yung pinikas na bulad, guys. Ayan. I know it's not good when you're pregnant, you know. You have to avoid like very salty food. But yeah, it's not all the time naman, guys. Minsan lang naman. So, ayan. Tatlo ang aking lulutuin. It's already 2:30 na pala, guys. No wonder I'm hungry. Nung nasa labas kasi kami kanina, kumain ako ng blueberry muffin. And then, nag-hot chocolate kami ba. Pero ngayon, parang nagutom na talaga si ate niyo. We have to eat. Time check tayo. It's now 4:30 ng hapon and ang ating mag-ama ay pumunta ng park. Tapos tumawag si Daddy Mike kasi daw gusto daw ni Paris na pumunta si Mami. Although, I'm pretty sure si Daddy Mike ang may gusto na pupunta ako, guys. So yeah, I don't know where they are. Ay, nandun sila sa park. Nagdala ako nito, guys, ng grapes para maka-snack si Paris. Tignan nyo silang dalawa, guys. Tignan nyo, parelax sila sa bridge. Oh! Very close talaga yan silang dalawa. Ah! What are you doing? Careful, Anak, don't jump from there, Anak. Have a look what I've got.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, let's eat some.
Some
You
grapes.
wanna show Mommy this one? You wanna show Mommy this? Spinning? Funny, look. Have a look.
Hang on, I wipe the face up, be. I don't know. Be, shush. On. Lala, hang on, be. There? Oh no! Hang on.
I'll eat the grape. Or we'll show Mum.
Hala, that's very fast, Daddy.
Yeah, I'll have a grape. Let's rush it. Start it again.
Say hello. I'm at the park.
She's gonna show you this first.
Which one, be?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Girl.
Mummy, watch the whole thing, please. You watch the whole thing. Watch the whole thing, okay? Just watch. Just watch. Watch. You wanna watch it again?
That's so funny.
Faster. Oh no, look at Paris.
Oh, that's really fast. Oh my god.
My Paris fell down. She was crying. See, she's dizzy now. She's like Roma.
So funny. So funny.
Some grapes.
You're so funny, Paris. Yummy.
Paris spinning around.
Maraming tao sa park nito. Are you spinning around? Oh, by the way, guys, tatanggap kami ng parang balita.
Take my treasure.
The ants took her treasure.
Take my treasure.
The ants took
Oh,
her
the ants took your treasure? A treasure? Treasure?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, no. It's not there anymore?
No.
She lost it? You lost that?
Ants took it.
Careful. So, nakatanggap kami ng balita, guys. Itong park na to pala, they're going to close it by the end of February. Did you say that?
Yeah.
Para i-renovate nila. Siguro, they'll make it, parang new talaga ba yung mga bagong,
Eat your
Ano,
grapes so Paris
aparatus.
doesn't eat it.
Nak, are you sure the ants got your treasure?
Yes.
Wow, okay. We don't have treasure anymore.
Look up right now.
Hmm?
Look at me, Mom.
No, we don't have treasure anymore.
It's okay. Look at another one for you.
I'll get another one for you. Okay? What's gonna give you another treasure?
Lola.
Yeah. yogurt.
Lulu Jeff?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. Nak, what did Lola say?
Okay. I didn't tell you.
So now the noise.
Wow! Have you got a band-aid in your face, Nak?
No, it's nothing.
It's nothing.
Go on.
Hold on, anak ha. Strong girl.
Hold on to it and then go. Okay. Show Mummy the one you did. This one. Come on.
Let her slide.
Just like. Show Mummy this one. Harris. Show Mummy this one, the yellow one.
Come. Show Mama.
Mummy.
My dad. The dad.
Show Mummy how you climb it. The yellow one.
Anak ha, hold properly ha.
Go.
Wow. Like a Girl Scout. Like a soldier.
All the way.
Good job.
Harris can do it.
That's a good tactic, Nak.
The last one you do a jump. Last one jump.
1, 2, 3.
Big jump.
Whoa! Great job.
No. Show Mummy how you walk across the bridge. Go on.
Toot, 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 toot. Don't let go, anak. Oh. You're crazy, Paris. Anak, mumumo ka, anak. Look at Mommy, babe. Look at Mommy. Uy. You're funny. You're so funny, Paris. Oh, this Bruce coming. Come on. Bruce. Lamu-lamuhon na Bruce. Alam uli. It's a big Bruce coming. Say go away, Bruce.
Bye, Bruce.
Bruce the shark. Nak na. Bruce the shark. Taas din ng oras na naglaro sila sa park ng tatay niya. Bruce! It's Bruce! Ay! It's Bruce!
A few moments later.
Me and